So we are dealing with a 200-foot or 300-foot main line from the meter to a holding tank up there before it feeds the property. Issue is we don't have an induction point to put gas in. So luckily I had a few parts in my van. It's not perfect, but we're gonna install this directly on the main. A little threaded cap here. Just put it in. Hose bib would be ideal, but when you're in the middle of nowhere, you just got to make it work. And for those who are wondering, yes, I took the gasket out. Right, and there we go. We have the tank isolated there. Put our connection in here, going right through there into the main. And of course, the leak is the only place is green. Boom. There's our leak. You guys ever play the grabber gang with a rigid vacuum? Yeah, instead of little stuffed animals, you get rocks and stuff.